we're gonna make the Armande. This is a drink that uses overproof whiskey and a shitload of other ingredients to make a potent little number with mole bitters that are gonna spice your face off. Why wouldn't you stay tuned?
Spicy.
No good reason.
True story, invented by Anne Rice.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Ian, Dan, Derek are going to show you how to make a cocktail called Armande on Whiskey Month. I say Whiskey Month because I don't know how long it goes, but when we're done, there's a lot of whiskey.
And it's going to be like at least a month long.
Probably.
I think.
I'm not going to put out the reviews as main episodes this semester. This month. Because the people don't watch a lot of the reviews, so if I get 500 views on a video, the next video won't do as well because YouTube doesn't promote it. So I gotta like put the reviews on a different day. That's neither here nor there. Oh shit.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now, Stephen Foisey. We have a live stream. Every time we do this recording, you can check out facebook.com/cocktailtv and I'll post when we're gonna do our live stream on Facebook, even though we make it on YouTube. Alright, the Armande is ingredients, 1 ounce of overproof bourbon whiskey, 1 ounce of Jamaican rum, aged, 1/4 ounce of creme de cacao, 2 dashes of mole bitters, and a pinch of salt.
Is it not good?
No, it's good. I put too much in the thing. I had to.
I don't think it.
You drank it? You don't like that?
No, it's good.
That stuff's like...
It's delicious. I just didn't want it right
It's
now.
like drinking sex.
It's like drinking sex? Oh, I'll try some.
Dan's like, I'm in. I could tell, I could give you a piece of poop and say it's like eating sex and he's in. Because he's like, I will
Oh shit, that's a lot.
Oh, it's like a lot of sex.
Not what?
Just shoot it.
Just put it in your mouth.
Put it in. So you're going to stir this drink apparently because Ian's been following the instructions better than me.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Cocoa?
So what are you going to do?
It's sweet as shit.
Yeah, like I said. Pour all the ingredients into a mixing glass with ice. Stir, and we're going to put it in a lowball glass with ice. So that's it.
With ice?
Yeah. You're going to stir the drink. This drink also doesn't have simple syrup in it. So the key ingredient is, as Dan has proven, just creme de cacao.
And it's
1/4
sweet
of an ounce.
enough.
Not a lot in this drink.
Yeah.
But it's not a big drink.
Do we have a bunch of drinks left? Or?
Do we have a bunch of
No.
drinks? No, we have like 1 or 2.
Okay.
1 piece of ice, huh? Oh, okay, there we go.
I didn't know if I wanted to be judicious with my ice use.
I have like 2 full Ziploc bags of ice in
Yeah,
there.
but then he has to go get it.
Yes. Thank you,
Wow.
Jen.
Things that you do
Wow.
don't do now that you're old.
It's just...
Get things.
More work
More
than
bitters are in front of that.
Work smarter, not harder.
Or work smarter and then do more.
That's the exact opposite of what you just said. You contradicted yourself.
No, you didn't. If you work smart, you get more done because
Oh yeah,
you can do double the work.
I thought you meant work smarter by doing more.
no.
I'm like, that's
No.
No, you work smarter, then you do more.
You work smarter and get more done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
You don't do more.
No, you do.
get
You
more
just
stuff
double.
done.
You do half as much. You do it in half the time, so you double your work.
This is actually how a lot of our meetings go.
I was going to say, this has to be.
It fucking drives me crazy.
Right? We do the same thing.
Oh, we do. We fucking go back and forth. We're like, I'm like, blah, blah, blah. And he's like, blah, blah,
Blah, blah, blah, blah. And we're saying the same thing.
Yeah.
A lot of times. Yeah.
10 minutes goes by and I'm like, hold up. Let's draw this on the board. And then we do it for another 10 minutes.
If you didn't know the backstory, Ian works as a programmer for this guy.
Yes.
So, you know how that's going to be.
Now you're
It's fun.
It's like imagine if you guys are all having fun around a bar drinking, but no drinks, no bar, just whiteboards. That's all.
Sometimes we drink. Yeah, whiteboards are always fun.
Yeah. We have glass boards now.
Yeah. We're
Throw
fancy.
shit at it.
You like that?
That's just fucked up.
They were going to use the glass boards as the projection backing before they realized that they reflect everything and the light shines in everybody's eyes from the
Yeah.
projector.
How's that feel?
So they pulled
That's
all the glass
awesome.
boards out. So all the walls have holes in them from when they got the glass boards because they thought it through.
Yeah.
No.
It's like a fucking union job. No shit.
No. I have union workers at work. So what they did is the LCD screens popped out of the wall because they were mounted.
That's true, Saul.
And so there was a danger in walking by and hurting yourself against the LCD screen. So what they did is they built another wall and offset the wall by like a half a foot, and they put in new LCD screens inset into the wall so that when you walk by you wouldn't hit it. But the LCD screens are so fucking big that they pop out of the wall, so they're about 1.5 inches outside the wall. They built a second wall and they put new screens in that still offset outside the wall.
Oh my god.
That's
And they're done. They're like, we're good, and they left.
They're like, we got this.
That's my story. This drink is called the Armande. We're gonna drink it, right?
Yeah.
He did get a sidearm.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
I like that you put legally in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Executive producer is James Jackson. If
Because
you
I'm the
want to
kind of guy
become,
to get a shitty,
Yeah, shady.
shitty filed down firearm with no serial number on it.
if you want to
That was in
become,
the Hannaford parking lot, not the Market Basket one.
No, that would be in the market basket.
Yeah, that'd be the market one.
holy bitters are fucking good. James Jackson,
Travis.
executive producer. Patreon.com/CMC.
This one I like.
You can become an executive producer like
Let's see
James
if you're right.
Jackson. So you can donate to us every month, and it's gonna be good.
9
That has got some
times
spice
out
to
of
it.
10.
That's got a little kick. So much better than the Moly
It's
bitters
good.
from Bittermans.
Now you want to say it's good, but you don't want to say it's good because I said it was good.
I don't think that's what
I'm in an okay place with this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
this is bitter and Mexican Moly bitters.
I wouldn't necessarily order it, but I'd maybe drink it. If someone bought me a drink, I would throw it away.
Use coupon code whiskey to save
You
18%
throw it away?
No, I would.
at awesomedrinks.com.
You're a dick.
I'm like listening to you.
There are so many conversations.
There's a lot of shit going on. Like, he was talking, all I heard was throw it away. I was like, I thought you liked that.
So it's got a spicy kick to it.
It does.
It's got fucking bourbon right in your face.
It's good.
Burning.
Oh, it's good though.
It's good
Right.
I
though.
actually like that.
Because it's actually
She
a
doesn't
little
even
refreshing.
like whiskey.
It's a little refreshing. Burns a little bit.
She doesn't like whiskey.
Give me that thing back. I need to take another sip.
It is spicy.
Like it?
You like
Just
that?
like spice.
I like
I
that.
don't mind some spice.
No, but like I gotta order more of these because I took the last bottle out of inventory. This is Bitter Ends, the last word in bitters.
It's good
Mexican
bitter.
Moly bitters. All the other Moly bitters. I had this when Warren Bobrow came here. We did a whole bunch of videos with Warren Bobrow, some of which I had to pull down from the show because of clearance issues at work. But these are spicy, and I was like, when I tried, I'm like, these are really hot compared to the ones that I'm used to having, like from Bittermans, which are just like a Moly sauce, not as.
Well, it's like refreshing, but then you get like that.
Yeah, you get the bourbon
You get the
and the
bourbon.
burn.
Yeah.
But you get two different types of burn. You get the burn from
You
the
get the burn
100,
from that, yeah.
whatever this 120, and then the burn from the actual bitter. So for a second, you're not sure, am I burning because of this as a strong drink or because there's actually spices hitting my face?
Like this drink, it's worth it to get those bitters. Just to try this.
Yeah, it's pretty
good.
And this is the Knob Creek 120. That might be my second bottle. This is my last bottle of that. I don't use it very often because it's like $55 for a bottle. But whatever. I just call Knob Creek and I'm like, can I have another one? They send it to me.
Yeah.
I was gonna say,
It's
they
good.
just send it.
Yeah. So if Knob Creek, if you're watching, we're using your bottle. If you're not watching, I will send you the video so you do watch so that you send me another bottle.
Yeah.
And then
Do it.
Appleton Jamaican Rum. You can use whatever Jamaican rum you want. You can use the 3-star like Dan wanted to use because it's got half or 1/3 of it is Jamaican rum. But I went with Appleton's for two reasons. First, because I couldn't find my other Appleton's. Secondly, it's almost gone. I thought maybe we could finish it.
Almost.
My bad. Didn't work.
Maybe you should take a shot if somebody.
You read my mind.
Yes.
This drink, by the way, was submitted by John Spikes.
If anyone
By
wants
Naomi.
Such a
to,
good topic change.
Created by Naomi Leslie. What? You want me to do a shot of Appleton?
Well, you
after
want-
somebody gives a.
you did say
Yeah,
you
I'm
wanted
not
to
doing a
get rid
shot for
Patreon.
free. I have a car payment.
Another
Yeah,
50
see?
cents.
Yeah.
Another 50 cents.
50
I
cents.
got this.
No! Because you will hand me 50 cents because for some reason you're that fucked up person that actually has change.
Maybe.
Who has change?
You like
Do you want to rub my quarters?
Wait, that looked like I did it.
Yeah, it looks like you did it.
That was pretty good. Are those, wait, when you say quarters, are you talking about your balls?
Quarters. You're disgusting.
You're thinking about talking about penis? Alright. Also, whiskey, if I haven't said so, is a coupon code. You save 18% off at awesomedrinks.com where you can buy stuff like
Good.
bitter and bitters. That's it, my friends. I can't think of anything else to say, so what I'm going to tell you now is that there's a sidebar. It's got 2 videos. They're all going to be whiskey-based because you're watching this, you must be interested in whiskey.
You like whiskey? Who doesn't like whiskey?
I don't know.
Nope.
Everybody.
here.
There you go.
Yeah, see?
100 out of
Everybody likes
100.
I just checked.
whiskey. Yeah. Did you check the audience?
Yeah, I did the survey. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
How about in the back? No, I can't see all. No hands. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the lights.
No hands.
Yeah, it is pretty bright up here.
Yeah.
Hands are the pants.
It's like a
Down
whole
below, awesomedrinks.com, where you can buy all the stuff I just talked about. That's it, my friends. We're choosing our drink.